Hey y'all, it's Miss Denise. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. In this video, I'm prepping 125 lamb chops for brunch. If you like meat and you love lamb chops, stay tuned. I'm going to share my marinade recipe with you. If you don't love lamb chops or you think they have a gamey flavor, I'm going to make a video in the future to show you how to properly clean and trim them. I believe that a lot of the flavor can be enhanced by making sure that they're taken care of properly up front. If they're not properly cleaned or they're not properly trimmed, they will definitely have a gamey flavor. So here I am just seasoning away. Then Curtis pops in to talk to me about a receipt. He did some shopping at work. There's plenty of people talking to me off camera in this video, which is actually kind of funny. Of seasoning on our lamb chops. Again, I'll share the recipe with you shortly. I'm just getting ready to spread them out and make sure that they're all coated. We've got our spices, but before we're done, we're gonna put some minced garlic in there and some Worcestershire sauce. I always use it when I prep red meat because I believe it makes it a little more tender and it gives it a great flavor. So coming up shortly here, you're going to see me come with that bowl of sauce. Working everything into these chops and making sure that they all get some love. Spread that love nice and evenly. Make sure they all taste good. Lamb chops are really expensive. We don't want anyone saying their chop was too salty or under seasoned. We want them just right so none of them come back to the kitchen. that marinade's coming up, so get ready to pause the video if you need it. We've got garlic powder, onion powder, Goya, black pepper, rosemary, a couple chef's magic, some garlic, and Worcestershire. The marinade's done. Now I'm just spreading them out, getting ready to wrap them and put them in the walk-in cooler.